Alright guys, welcome to another video. In this video we'll be mixing some drum and bass, very energetic genre of music. And yeah, so let's see. We have already set up few cue points so that you know where exactly we'll be starting the other song, and you can see how we are doing the transition and everything. Hope you all learn from this, and if you want to join, uh, you know where to join. Destiny School of DJ. All right. Okay, let's just get started. Yeah. So this is Tokyo Drift, remix version, DNB remix version, like a drum and bass remix version. Let's go. If anytime in the moment of mix you wanna get up and start dancing, please do. Don't care where you are, and if you wanna dance, just dance. So the next song we are starting from a B marker, which has this thing, which has a vocal in the start. So we'll be starting it from there, and it's kind of a layer mashup kind of thing, live mashup kind of thing. So yeah, let's.
Shit, I'm stepping in harder this year. Yeah, been repping it harder this year. Watch me as I gravitate. Yo, we gon' close down this Motown with your sound. You in the blink, gon' bite the dust, can't fight with us. With your sound, you kill the hate. So don't stop, get it until you chat it. And watch the way I navigate.
So as you saw, we were constantly going back and jumping to the hot cue marker. We could have kept a loop, but to make it more interesting, to make it more fun, we didn't put the loop. We just kept jumping back to the B marker point, which I kept over there. Okay, so yeah, let's just keep going. All right, so this is the last track of this mix. So yeah, DNB is very fun to play with if you know what you're doing, and yeah, it's as easy as it looks like. Maybe not, but yeah, it's pretty easy. Alright, so that was the last track of the mix. I know you. I hope you guys know what to do next. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let's go.